Hey guys, it's Shirley here. So today I'm going to solve this problem, the medium 86 partition list. Given a head of a linked list and a value x, partition it so that all nodes less than x come before nodes greater than or equal to x. And you should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. So to solve this problem, I'm thinking of using heaps. So what is a heap? Heap is basically a data structure of a priority queue where a min heap stores the elements of an array in. So when you pop out from a min heap, you pop out a min element and so on. So it's in descending order. And a max heap is in ascending order. So you pop out the max element first. So what I'm thinking is using two heaps. One stores values less than x, and the other larger heap stores rows greater than or equal to x. And then I'm going to keep track of the index of. So basically, I'm going to keep track of the position of the node in a linked list, and that's how I'm going to see if. That's how I'm going to preserve the original relative order of the nodes. So let's start. I'm going to declare a smaller heap array and a larger heap array. And I'm also going to create a Sentinel node and a copy of the Sentinel node. So I'm also going to keep track of the index of the position of the node. So while head, if head.val is less than x, I'm going to push the index and head value to the smaller heap. Else, I'm going to push it to the larger heap. And then I'm going to set the next pointer equal to the next node, and I'm going to increment at index. So now I'm going to loop through the smaller heap, and I'm going to pop out the minimum element. So the first value would be index, and the value would be a second value, and I'm going to pop that out from the smaller heap. And then I'm going to set sentinel node.next equal to the value, the node of the value. And I'm going to set the next point equal to the current node. And now I'm going to loop through the larger heap, and also going to pop out the values, the index and the value. And now I'm going to set sentinel.next equal to the value node, and set sentinel equal to next pointer. Now I'm going to return result.next. Result is a copy. Faster than 70%. So the runtime complexity of this would be O of n, because we're looping through the linked list and one time, and the space time is greater because it's basically O of n again, because we're creating two heaps. Thanks guys.